Are you tired of seeing your skin lose its bounce and look thinner every year? What if I told you that the secret to plumping your skin isn't $1,000 cream? It is actually hidden inside a single spoonful of specific seeds you can find in your kitchen. In the next 5 minutes, I will reveal the golden seed protocol that dermatologists and nutritionists are now calling a natural facelift. If you want to stop skin thinning and regain that youthful glow after 60, you cannot afford to miss a single second of this video. As we cross the age of 60, our body's natural collagen production drops by nearly 30%. This loss makes your skin look like crepe paper, fragile and prone to bruising. But research from the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology shows that internal nutrition is more powerful than any lotion. To fix the foundation, we must start with the plumping seed. Flaxseeds. These tiny seeds are the world's richest source of alpha-linolenic acid, a powerful omega-3 fatty acid. Studies suggest that omega-3 south act like an internal moisturizer, filling the gaps between your skin cells. When you eat 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds daily, you are literally reinforcing your skin's barrier. But seeds alone aren't enough. You need the vitamin C bridge to make them work. Doctors at the Linus Pauling Institute confirm that vitamin C is the essential glue that binds collagen fibers together. Try adding half a cup of sliced bell peppers or a handful of strawberries to your daily routine. These vibrant foods provide the spark that turns the nutrients from your seeds into actual skin tissue. Combining these specific seeds with the vitamin fruits creates an internal shield against environmental damage. This is the first step to moving from thinning skin to a plump, hydrated look. Now, let's talk about the second essential ingredient in our protocol: pumpkin seeds. These seeds are a powerhouse of zinc, which the Mayo Clinic identifies as a critical mineral for skin repair. Zinc helps your body process proteins that rebuild the structural integrity of your skin. Without enough zinc, your skin can become dry, flaky, and lose its ability to heal quickly. Pairing your daily spoonful of seeds with leafy green vegetables like spinach or kale doubles the benefit. Leafy greens are packed with lutein, an antioxidant that research shows improves skin elasticity and hydration. Think of this combination as liquid gold for your aging skin cells. But to truly plump the skin, we must also address the muscles underneath. A study published in the journal Aging Cell found that regular resistance exercise can actually reverse skin aging at a cellular level. Simple facial exercises or even light lifting increases blood flow to the deepest layers of your skin. This surge of oxygenated blood delivers the nutrients from your seeds directly where they are needed most. If you want to see a visible lift in your jawline and cheeks, you must nourish the skin and the muscle together by feeding your body zinc-rich seeds and keeping your muscles active. You are fighting aging from 2 different angles. To complete this protocol, we must look at the hydration anchor: chia seeds. According to Harvard Health, chia seeds can hold up to 12 times their weight in water. When consumed, they release this moisture slowly, keeping your skin hydrated from the inside out all day long. This deep hydration is what gives your face that plumped and healthy appearance. To maximize this effect, consider adding a high-quality hyaluronic acid supplement to your morning routine. Dermatology experts confirm that oral hyaluronic acid significantly increases skin moisture in adults over 60. However, even the best supplements need a healthy environment to work effectively. This means avoiding skin thieves like processed sugars that cause inflammation and break down your natural glow. Instead, snack on walnuts or almonds, which provide vitamin E to protect your skin's fatty membranes. By combining chia seeds, healthy fats, and proper supplements, you create a 24-hour repair cycle for your skin. You are no longer just covering up the signs of aging. You are actively rebuilding your skin's vitality. This Golden Seed Protocol is a lifestyle shift that shows results you can actually see in the mirror. Consistency is your greatest tool, so make this spoonful of seeds a non-negotiable part of your day. Thank you for joining me on the Wellness Path podcast today. Your journey to healthier, plumper skin starts with that very first spoonful of seeds tomorrow morning. If you found these tips helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our community. Don't forget to share this video with a friend who wants to regain their youthful glow naturally. I would love to hear from you. Which of these seeds are you going to try first? Leave a comment below and let's start a conversation about your health journey. Check out my other videos on seed protocols for muscle and joint health right here on the screen. Stay healthy, stay vibrant, and I will see you in the next video.